What's up, y'all? I am going to do this video on Castiel. He is our new fur baby. We got him from a young lady. She said that the owner wasn't taking care of him. He was only like 4 weeks old, very malnourished, in very bad condition. Too tiny to even get his shots yet and get a lot of medication that he needed at the time. But he had ringworms also. The doctor prescribed him some medication, some medicated shampoo. And it's been working so far. So we're just gonna bathe him we're gonna put some of this on him and let it sit for 10 minutes. He is 6 weeks old, and I've been putting this shampoo on him twice a week. It's been working. His hair is coming back, so all we're doing is waiting on him to get his shot so that he can come out of quarantine. So in the meantime, I'm gonna put him in a tub and let the shampoo sit on him for those 10 minutes. I'm going to clean out his cage. I'm gonna clean it out really good, disinfect, change his litter, and all that good stuff. And yeah, he's gonna come back to a clean home. All right. Well, he already knows what's about to happen. He hates this. He hates taking baths. See, his hair is coming in so good. He was bald. If you can see how light it is right here on top of his head. He lost his hair right there because of ringworms. From being neglected, he had to have like a flea bath. He was infested with fleas. Out of the litter, only him and his sister that looks just like him survived. So yeah, I'm so proud of his progress because he was so freaking tiny and helpless. When I took him to as soon as we got him, we went straight to one of those mobile vets. It was on the weekend, so the vet that was there, she was like, oh, he might not make it. He could go downhill very fast. He's dehydrated. He's this, he's that. I'm just like, lady, okay, whatever. So I took him straight to the doctor the next day. That's when he was prescribed antibiotics, worm medication in case he had any worms he could pass through his stool. He was given this shampoo. And he eats so well on his own. He eats very, very well. And since he is getting older, and he has strength, this is a strong baby. He is so strong. Like, he's a survivor. Okay? I know, pumpkin. I know, babies. I know. I usually wear gloves. I know I was wearing them non-stop in the beginning, but since his hair, he's gotten a lot better. Like, it's just coming back at this point. He's good to go on my book, child. I know how to wash my hands. I've had thousands of pets. And I know I have children. I don't let them touch him until he's gotten his shots at least. So I know what I'm doing, okay? He survived with us even when the doctor said he wouldn't. Cause I don't play. Ain't that right? Oh gosh. I know. While that's marinating, so I'm gonna go ahead and get his cage ready. clean and put him some food in there. Okay.